What a historic day for the Hmong community. Suni Lee's dad, John, here, his phone has been going off all morning long. And you know what? There's good reason for it. He is now the parent of a gold medal Olympian in gymnastics.
13 points.
The whole event center went wild.
This is what joy looks like when your Olympian wins gold.
I feel great, amazing, and just crazy, unbelievable.
I'm super proud and so happy for her and the leader that she became.
Under the hugs and tears, Ho John Lee and Yang Thaw, the parents of Team USA Olympian Sunisa Lee, the first Hmong American Olympian ever, and then to snag a gold. Her journey began about 12 years ago.
We brought it in just for a trial.
That turned into a homemade beam.
I built it out of a 4x4.
Then to annual fundraisers.
Then we would sell t-shirts, make egg rolls, whatever we can just to have enough to help her fees, uniforms, or travel fee when we travel with her, things like that. So
yeah, we made pho at home, like in our garage, and then happy friends and family will come and they just donate and just to eat pho with us.
The crowd of 300 or so at Brothers Event Center in Oakdale suddenly makes sense. A girl with a dream, able to thrive on a world stage largely because of the support by her Hmong family and Hmong community.
More than just a word of thank you.
We came to this country more than 40 years ago. I've seen so many of us beat incredible odds to do something amazing, Huojan says. But the couple says they never imagined two refugees would see a Hmong Olympian in their time, let alone their daughter.
It feels good, it feels great to be a part of that family. Yeah, we did it.
She went from a wooden 2x4 beam to a golden 2x4.
Soaking in the moment. Gia Vang, KARE 11 News.
Oh, if you miss the competition, you can watch it when it re-airs tonight in prime time right here on KARE 11. We are all so proud of Suni. Her next event final is the uneven bars. It's her specialty, and she is expected to medal. That's on Sunday. Well, the congratulations messages from all of you keep coming in. Like Sue, Ray, and Patty all said, you make us very proud, and we wish you the best of luck as you continue to compete in Tokyo.
There will also be